guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will give you 12 tips for small bathroom remodels. If you are interested, please continue watching this video. If you have an extremely small bathroom, trying to make every little thing with the available area resembles doing a large crossword puzzle, here are 12 tips for small bathroom remodel. 1. Install a corner sink. In some cases, also a pedestal sink can disrupt the only offered web traffic lane in a bathroom. In this case, positioning a corner sink across from the commode works better than a sink throughout from the shower. 2. Use a shower curtain. A shower that returns as well as forceps room over a glass door that relocates in and also out. 3. Flood the vanity. Besides simply visually adding the bathroom so up bigger, placing a vanity over the floor maximizes a little space for small items. 4. Round the vanity. If the corners of a vanity would hinder, go with a rounded style. A rounded vanity can work in a square space. 5. Extend the counter of the toilet. The extensive counter develops simply adequate room for a couple of required things. Toilet positioning is not affected, and the look is minimal and clean. 6. Use a large-scale pattern. A large-scale pattern like wet strip can trick the eye into seeing expanded space. 7. Skip the shower door. If your shower room is about 5 feet wide, that's just sufficient space to squeeze in a toilet and a 30 by 60-inch bathtub. With limited conditions such as this, take into consideration a glass panel rather than a glass shower door. It will certainly keep the majority of the water in the shower as well as will certainly maximize required elbow room. 8. Expand the mirror. In the tightest space, having a mirror stretched throughout the wall surface rather than simply the vanity can make it possible for two people to utilize it at once. 9. Mount the towel bar on a door. When space is at a minimum, mounting a towel bar on the shower door keeps towel handy. 10. Install a trough sink. The narrow, clean designing of a trough sink is a good-looking space option. Trough sinks have a low profile. When well installed, they free up flooring room as well for storage space or foot traffic. 11. Select a vanity with one shelf. Pedestal design has actually gotten smarter. Also, a pedestal design with one rack can hold towels or a basket for toilet tissue. 12. Use a wall-mounted faucet. Mounting a faucet on the wall allows for a narrower sink or vanity, which in turn frees up square footage in the total bathroom. Mounting a faucet on the wall allows for a narrower sink or vanity, which subsequently liberates square video footage in the total bathroom. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.